Hi class, I'm going to show you how to run the linear regression t-test to find r and the regression equation y hat. Now, before we run any commands, you have to make sure you have the list there. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be typing in these values, meaning your x's and your y's, into L1 and L2. So let me just actually enter a short data set. So go to edit and make sure that those lists are on the same size. So if you already have numbers, just modify them. And I'm just going to add one extra value, which is going to be 1. And then technically 1. Okay, so once you verify that your list is complete, and for your list it's going to be all those values, you're then going to exit out of this command, so second and quit. And then here's the command to run it. So you're going to hit stats, then you go all the way to test. Once in test, you're going to go all the way to the bottom and find me the linear regression t-test. So I think it's one of the last ones. We could have gone up. I think it would have been faster. Okay, it's this one. Linear regression t-test. Hit enter. And then you just have to make sure that you have the data as L1 and L2. For this particular one, don't mess with anything else. Those are optional sections. So don't mess with anything else. All you need to do is hit calculate. So from here, you hit calculate. And this one is not in order as what we had in decimals. So basically, let me give you the value of r for this one, 0.67. So you would have reported that this is 0.67. And the one that's a little bit confusing is the actual mx plus b. So here, the slope of the line, it's b. B is this, 1.52 rounding to 2 decimals. So this will be 1.52, we're rounding to 2 decimals. And then the actual y-intercept is technically the a value here. So negative 0.48. So in this case, you would have reported this is 1.52x minus 0.48. And let me double check. Minus 0.48, 1.52, it's fine. And then the only value that's kind of hidden, it's r. So that would be the 0.67. So same as before, submit one picture where you're showing this portion of the command, and then the second one, write it down. What I'll ask on the final exam is for sure for you to retrieve those two measurements.